look, there's another batch of oyster mushrooms. They're doing beautifully. Gotta spray you. Look at the shiitake. Yum. There'll be one mushroom in my salad. December 24th. And Deborah Christmas would put the ends of her sweet potatoes in pots. And I can't remember if she put them in that way or this way. So we'll do both. And this one fell and rolled across the floor. So I figured, oh, I'll just put this one in the batch. Because it was a very, very big sweet potato. December 24th. And I cannot even lift this to move it. This is where I planted all the cherry pits and the apricots. Cherry pits don't seem to be doing anything. The apricots, if they're still in here, because this has been dug up a few times and not by me. Is that one of the pits? No. So I made date bars. And I saved all the pits. Gotta get them all. And I'm gonna see if I can grow Mexican fan palms easily enough. Let's see if I can grow some date palms. Cover them up. And put the wire back over. Because things like to eat them. Let's see if any of those come up. One of the joys of growing your own vegetables is you can pick them when they're perfect. And they can even sit in the house for a while in the refrigerator before they start to go bad. Ah, that's perfect for stir fry for one. Christmas morning, we just got 6/10 of an inch of rain. And it's still raining, but I don't care. And it's halfway across the street. I wish a car would come by right now. Because that flood the place. Oh, down the back. Oh, it's raining good and hard. And it's a puddle. Oh, this isn't full yet. Oh, it just stopped. Good. Oh, water, water. We have water. I can't see a thing. I wish there was some way I could capture all of this. At least this is going to soak in and not run off. Ah, it's starting to fill up. Oh, go through the rain, go through the rain, go through the rain. Nah, you gotta turn around and go back the other way. Yeah, mister, no trash pickup today. It's Christmas, they need a day off. Oh, this is so wonderful. Yep, still got my scooter. Well, that's interesting. I've never seen him wear a helmet. Don't see, oh, there's a serial number. Nobody ever looks at that, though. They always just look at that. Ooh, we got a Christmas rain. Look, 1 whole inch. That is exciting. You have no idea how exciting. Our radishes, they're happy. And lettuce looks like it's starting to perk up a bit. Garlic is coming up. I think the little avocado tree has enjoyed the rain as much as I have. Aw, you're so happy. And a whole new batch of strawberry blossoms. Those strawberries are starting to come on. The joys of living in California. Well, hopefully this one is just out of reach for anything. We'll find out. So Bob, do you think that 27.5 gallon half drum will be enough for the... Which do you think would do better in the 27.5 gallon half barrel with no bottom? The Ube or the Ukon? Now that is the blackest monarch caterpillar I've ever seen. I just wonder if it's because it's so cold. Poor baby. Sun's not going to be here for about another hour. You can get to munching on stuff once you warm up. Oh, little one, what are you doing down there? That's Swiss chard. You shouldn't be on Swiss chard. I will move you. There, that's much better. That's your food supply, not Swiss chard. And you even get some sunshine to warm your little caterpillar body up. Ooh, look, there's all sorts of munchies here. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh no, that's an itty bitty stinker. Yep, that's a little one. You can just keep moving your stinky little butt out of my yard.